After you and your workgroup have collected the inputs for your scorecard, you are in a position to create your workgroup level scorecard summary. Your goal is to choose measures that will make up your scorecard, ensure alignment with Driscoll's strategic priorities, and your workgroup's business objectives and goals. The scorecard summary reflects the key result areas, KRAs, and the key indicators, KIs, for your workgroup. Workgroup KRAs are critical, must-achieve, make or break performance outcomes for which your workgroup is held accountable. KIs are specific measures or sets of data and information that determine success within each KRA. Utilizing the line of sight roadmap will help you understand if your workgroup scorecard is aligned vertically to Driscoll's vision, mission, and strategic goals, linked vertically to the KRAs in the tiers above you, and linked horizontally to your customers' key requirements. To understand if your scorecard is aligned vertically, assess if your workgroup KRAs are a critical portion of Driscoll's overall strategic direction and how the outputs within your workgroup link with these areas. To focus on which KRAs are relevant to you and your workgroup, ask yourself the following questions. 1. What primary products or services are delivered to customers? 2. What results consume the majority of your workgroup's resources, people, time, and money? 3. What categories of results are defined in your customer agreements? What have you already committed to your customers? 4. What categories of results, outcomes, or strategic priorities are defined on Driscoll's top-level scorecard and/or your manager's scorecard? 5. What areas of results are key to your workgroup's success? After you have identified the cascading KRAs you directly contribute towards, or have a strong line of sight contribution factor, it will be important to identify the potential cascaded KIs that your workgroup directly contributes to achieving. KIs are concrete measures of critical data. They are easily understood and controllable, and track actual performance against a target. KIs can be represented in a number of ways. It is important to make sure that your KIs are aligned to your key result areas and answer the question, what are the measures that would demonstrate success within these key result areas? An example of a key result area with its accompanying key indicators is continually delighted berry consumer from Driscoll's top-level scorecard. The accompanying key indicators are consumer satisfaction rating, point of purchase rating, customer claims and rejections, Net Promoter Score. This scorecard summary provides a limited, focused set of measures that provides a balanced and timely view of business performance specific to organizational needs and areas of responsibility. The KIs for your workgroup may look different from the top-tier scorecard in that it reflects an area you have control over and can contribute to directly. It will be important to narrow down your list of key indicators to about 2 to 4 KIs for each KRA. To select your vital few KIs, use the following criteria to evaluate your list. Will the measure result in a number that you can quantify and graph? Will stakeholders and customers care about the measure? Will the measure give useful feedback? Can you assess performance against competitors or industry standards? And can your workgroup influence the outcome of the measure?